to my channel again. And today, look what we have. Pick up what we have today. Maybe mermaid. I don't know though. Yes, we have mermaid like this one. I can't believe it. And here we have some three colors of paper. Their name are orange, pink, blue. And look, it's so soft. Did you see this? And now you scrunch it. Oh no, it's not sticky. Why? We need to remove this paper. It's sticky. My finger. We open this and we have to make this flower with the color blue. Look. Mommy, help me with this blue. Now yes, crunch it. We need one pink crunchy paper in the middle. Now blue. My favorite color is blue. I like the blue. It's so pretty. No matter to say anything, your favorite color, and just don't say everything and your friend don't say everything of his favorite color. Keep to your favorite color. Green, yellow, orange. Look, the flower is so pretty. And now the hair is orange. First you have over here one orange. Oh, I missed to peel the paper. We need to peel this paper. She have a tall hair. It starts from over here. Uh-oh. Now we want one paper and crunch it. Now just put it over here. And then one over here. And one over here. Look at this. Look at this again. What?
غير حكي شو نكون فيديو بالسريع هيك.
marker. And look, this all of it's blue. I don't want to make it like this, so I have a pencil. I can draw the eye. It's the cute eyes. I love them. This is the mouse. Now the mermaid costume. What's it being? They're blue. Color blue. Good job, sister. I'll take it. Say give me. Give me. Great job. Yay. Can I put down, please? Give me. Give her more. Give her. I'll give you some more. Give me. Give me. Oh, it's too big. Let me help. Take it. Great job. We are done this fan. I mean the clothes. Pink color. Great job. You are my bright sister. Mommy give you. Huh? Oh yeah, this for you. You are the super duper. Yes. Now we need over here pink and blue. Here's the pink. Mouse. No, don't put it in your mouse. Into. Pink and blue. This is the last pink. That's super blue. Okay, where to add? Hello. Hello. This is my sister. Hello, young. Like this and like this. It's so beautiful. It has so many shapes. Thank you, Julie. I love you too. Her flower is beautiful. Her eyes, her mouth is too beautiful either. Her clothes is so beautiful. Beep, 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 beep. Get the money. Like, share, subscribe. The money. Try it. Give me. Like and share and subscribe. Bye.